Hello everyone students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So in our previous class we have studied about the different examples of chemical reactions, means that we have studied about activity 6.6 and activity 6.7. In both the activities we have observed one thing, that in both the reaction there is a substance of new substances form, okay, and with the changing of the chemical properties. So that we have studied in both the activities, okay. Now today we are going to study about the activity 6.8, okay. This is also one another example of the chemical reaction. Afterwards you will come to know that how the chemical reactions are different from the physical reaction, okay. So let us start the activity 6.8. So for the activity 6.8, what we need vinegar, okay, that is nothing but the acetic acid, okay. And what we have to add in that, we have to add some pinch of baking soda in it, okay. Means firstly we have to take vinegar in test tube, okay. Afterwards we have to add a pinch of baking soda in it. So you know what student, what change you will find, that you will hear the hissing sound, okay. Means that sound will be nothing but the bubbles of gas. Which gas will come out? CO2, that is a carbon dioxide gas will form, okay. When you will add some baking soda in vinegar, so it produce the carbon dioxide gas, okay. And you know what is the chemical name of baking soda? The sodium hydrocarbonate. Means when you will add sodium hydrocarbonate in acetic acid, it produce carbon dioxide gas will produce with the formation of other substance, okay. So that carbon dioxide will produce the hissing sound मीन्स जो गैस होता है हमारा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वो साउंड प्रोड्यूस करेगा, ओके. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू पास दिस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस इनटू फ्रेशली प्रिपेयर्ड लाइम वाटर. जस्ट सी इन द फिगर 6.5. ऑल ऑफ यू सी द स्टूडेंट्स ऑन द पेज नंबर 62. In the figure 6.5 it is given that the experimental setup is shown in to you. So what we have to do, we have to do this activity like that. Means after reaction between the vinegar and the baking soda, our that carbon dioxide product, means gas, will produce, and we have to pass this carbon dioxide gas to in that freshly prepared lime water. So what change you will find, that your lime water will turn into milky. कैसे होगा वो लाइम वाटर? मिल्की हो जाएगा. मिल्की मीन्स व्हाट? बिल्कुल ऐसा वाइट दिखेगा, मिल्क जैसा, ओके. एंड इट विल फॉर्म द मिल्की कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अलॉन्ग विद द other products, okay. And you know what will be the chemical reaction in between that? Carbon dioxide means firstly start from the vinegar and baking soda, okay. Vinegar plus baking soda means acetic acid plus sodium hydrocarbonate, it produce carbon dioxide plus other substance, okay. Now the second reaction, जब हम उस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को लाइम वाटर में पास करते हैं, so their second reaction will be carbon dioxide means CO2 plus lime water, that is nothing but calcium hydroxide. Lime water means what? Calcium hydroxide. So you know it is a acid or base? It's a base only, okay. And it produce means when carbon dioxide will react with the calcium hydroxide, it produce calcium carbonate, that is nothing but the CaCO3. What is the chemical formula of calcium carbonate? CaCO3, okay. That is because of that calcium carbonate your lime water is turns milky, okay. इसी वजह से आपका lime water क्या बनेगा? Milky बनेगा, means white दिखेगा, okay. And plus along with other substance, that is nothing but the water, okay. So this type of chemical reaction will occurs in this activity, okay. So now again you have observed the same thing, just like we have observed in the thing in activity 6.6 and activity 6.7. Which thing we have observed? We have seen that after a reaction between the two substances, we get the new substance with the another properties, okay. So that is nothing but the chemical changes. Means in activity 6.6 हमने देखा था हमारा न्यू सब्सटेंस कौन सा फॉर्म हुआ था? the ash. Ash was a new substance form. Ash किसकी थी? Ash was the magnesium oxide. Okay, that is the first product of activity 6.6. Then after that we have seen in activity 6.7 there was the new substance, that is the iron sulfate. Okay, and in activity 6.8 we have observed the calcium carbonate will be the new product in activity 6.8. Okay, so in all these three examples we have seen that the new substances are formed after a reaction between the two substances. Okay, so that is nothing but the chemical changes. उसको क्या कहते हैं? Chemical changes. A change in which one or more new substances are formed are called chemical change. ओके, जिसमें एक और एक से ज़्यादा सब्सटेंस फॉर्म होते हैं, दैट चेंजेस आर नोन एज अ केमिकल चेंजेस. एंड वी हैव सीन इन अपोजिट इन फिजिकल चेंजेस द नो न्यू सब्सटेंसेस आर फॉर्म. ओके, जस्ट ओनली द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज चेंज. सो दैट इज द मेजर डिफरेंस बिटवीन फिजिकल एंड chemical changes. Okay.